What's up, everyone? Back for another video. You guys already know it's your boy Jerry, and you watching Where's Garage, and this video is gonna be on the Court Sport coolant reservoir. As you guys know, the ones with the Mazdaspeeds, the coolant reservoir always cracks on these. It's annoying. This is my second one that I bought that cracked, so the Court Sport one will definitely emulate that one. Like, it will take care of that thing and it will look nice. So I'm gonna show you the reservoir and get to this video. So this is instructions. It has the here the hardware. Again, I already opened it because I always open the check, make sure everything's in here. I already looked at it, but this is it right here. So this is it right here. This is the reservoir. Nice, wrinkle black. Will match my piping. Match the top of the box, but yeah, it's a little easy install. Shows little nozzle where you can see how much coolant you have. But let's get to the video. I'll show you guys how to put it on. So the first step is, you see these tabs right here? This one, and there's one in the back right here. You want to get a flathead and pry back and lift up on it, because there's like a little notch on these right here. Can't remember. Focus. See, there's a notch. He's right there. You want to get a flathead and push back and lift up so it can pull up. So yeah, we'll do that. Then once you do those two things, then this should come up, lift up. Then here's your two hoses right here, and there's the big one right here. I have these to pinch them off, especially a little bit might come out from these two, but for sure a big one. So I'm gonna use these to clamp it down, so I don't get that much waste out of that come out of it and go on the floor. So let's get to it. Install Court Sport 1 and 2. The ones that don't have upgraded passenger mount, I have Court Sport, you can see. If you have the stock one, there's going to be a little notch from the stock one that they want you to cut off. Let me see if I can find it in instructions. See this? Like this, a little notch over here, the circle. There's one right here. Look at that. Well, you guys get the picture. There's gonna be two. There's one right here. There's gonna be one right here. They want you to cut the one that's right here, because I guess it clears the reservoir more better. So you have a little bit more clearance. But I don't have the stock mount no more. I have Court Sport one, so I don't need to do any cutting. But if you guys have the stock motor mount, you guys have to just cut the little tab off. Maybe just get like some pliers and pull up on it and it'll break off. But that's what they want you to do. Instructions if you guys have the stock one. So let's get the Court Sport one and put it in. Get back to you guys. All right, before we put the Court Sport one in, let's do the hardware. They want you to put, it's like a little bracket. They want you to put it right here. Right here, and there's gonna be a bolt that goes right here. But there's a little bracket that goes right here, and it's this bracket right here. It's a black one, and it goes one of these two, and the washer goes, I think. So I should put that on and I'll show you guys. All right, so you can get your hardware. like this, the washer, and you get this. And you put it just like this. Take it, right there. See it lines? See? Like that. You get your bowl in the washer, and you put it like this. And you just kind of screw a little bit of it, because you see there's like a slit right here where you just scoot it in so it can catch this, then you tighten it. So you want to do that. So I'm gonna put it in, and like I said, the other one, the other bolt goes to, it replaces this one with this. So I'm gonna start putting everything on and get back to you guys. To put the big one on because it's just too tight, but I just do this. Just like that. These, I'm using these because I don't know why. Like they got to grab the pliers. I'm pretty sure I got some in the house somewhere. Oh, you know what? I do have some in the house. I just grabbed that for the big one. But for now, this will have to do. I just grabbed the pliers out. I already have the big one on, these two on, so let's get the slid. Slide it in. That's in. Let me grab my sockets and I'll get back to you. Right here, you're going to loosen this. Guys, I have it in, and looks very nice. Matched with the my wrinkled black piping for the cob front mount and the wrinkled black from the airbox. But I'm gonna show you guys what it is right now. And there you guys have it. That's how you put the Core Sport coolant reservoir on. Like I said, it's easy. Just a few tools you need, and make sure you get the pliers. But yeah, but that's all you get. That's all it is. Just a few tools and a few things you take off, and you get the job done. It's easy. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Subscribe if you haven't. And there's more. I have another video coming for you guys. Next is going to be the taking the intake off and doing the fuel injectors. The Core Sport seals and I got new injectors too. So the next video is going to be on that. The turbo, I think I'm doing it tomorrow too, but I ordered the exhaust manifold gasket and the turbo drain pipe or drain hose gaskets. I did not get those in yet. It says it's going to be here Tuesday, so I'll probably do the turbo install next weekend because I work Monday to Friday, off on the weekend, so probably get the turbo install for Saturday. And two, I still need to go buy the tune from Freak Tune so I can let them know I got a new turbo and stuff like that. But till then, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.